Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another exciting episode on our tech channel. Today we have a special treat for all the Nintendo enthusiasts out there. In this video, we will be diving deep into the world of the Nintendo Switch, exploring its features and giving you compelling reasons why you should consider purchasing it in 2023. So, if you're as excited as we are about this upgraded version of the beloved Switch, be sure to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Without further ado, let's jump right into it and discover why the Nintendo Switch might just be the console you've been waiting for. Long-term support for the Nintendo Switch. Let's face it, previous Nintendo consoles like the Wii and DS were replaced within 5 years, and other competitors followed suit after 8 years. So it's natural to be cautious about purchasing a console that might become outdated in no time. However, Nintendo's president, Shuntaro Furukawa, made it crystal clear that they are committed to the long-term support of the Switch. During an investor Q&A, Furukawa emphasized that Nintendo's focus lies in fostering lasting relationships with its customers. While the transition to the next generation of hardware is a challenge they're working on, it's definitely not happening anytime soon. This means that your investment in the Switch won't be short-lived, as Nintendo is dedicated to providing a continuous stream of exciting games and experiences for years to come. So if you're on the fence about buying a Nintendo Switch in 2023, rest assured that you won't be left behind. The Switch offers a vast library of fantastic games, a unique hybrid design, and the promise of ongoing support from Nintendo. Don't miss out on the opportunity to join the thriving Switch community. Perfect for shared gaming. Whether you opt for the regular Switch console or the shiny new Nintendo Switch OLED model, both offer the versatility of detachable Joy-Cons. Just imagine the excitement of playing multiplayer games without the need for additional purchases. However, remember that if you're all about friend-filled gaming sessions, the Switch Lite won't be your best bet, as its controllers aren't detachable. But wait, there's more. If you want to take your multiplayer experiences to the next level, Joy-Cons are available in convenient packs of 2. That means you're essentially getting 2 controllers for the price of 1. Talk about value for money. With a vast library of games at your fingertips, the Switch offers endless possibilities for social gaming adventures. And let's not forget about the Switch's sheer convenience. Seamlessly connected to any TV using the included dock, allowing you and your friends to enjoy the action on the big screen. Plus, the built-in stand makes it a breeze to set up your gaming session wherever you please. So if you're ready to level up your social gaming and create unforgettable memories with your pals, the Nintendo Switch is your ultimate companion. Grab those Joy-Cons, gather your friends, and let the multiplayer mayhem begin. Massive game library. The Nintendo Switch, renowned for its portability and social gaming experience, transcends the boundaries of traditional consoles. But what truly sets it apart is its expansive library of games, catering to the diverse tastes of gamers worldwide. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping races with friends in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe or the chaotic camaraderie of culinary mayhem in Overcooked, the Switch delivers on the promise of social immersion. Even the most ardent gamers will find satisfaction in the pulse-pounding intensity of titles like Dune 2016 or the punishing yet rewarding challenges of Dark Souls 3, though a superior Nintendo Switch controller is recommended for these epic adventures. For enthusiasts of Nintendo's legendary exclusives, the Switch remains an indispensable gateway to unparalleled experiences. Brace yourself for upcoming masterpieces like Pokémon Legends, Arceus and Kirby and the Forgotten Land, as the Switch stands as the sole portal to these enchanting realms. But the allure doesn't end there. The Switch caters to a broader gaming palette, offering popular titles such as Fortnite and Minecraft, ensuring an abundance of options beyond the realm of Nintendo's domain. Embracing the Switch in 2023 opens a gateway to a captivating realm of established classics and an exciting future teeming with innovative releases. With no signs of slowing down, the Switch beckons both seasoned players and those embarking on their gaming odyssey alike, promising an ever-expanding universe of immersive entertainment. Constant improvement. Nintendo's dedication to enhancing the Switch experience is vividly exemplified by the transformative evolution of its Nintendo Switch Online service. Despite a somewhat lackluster debut in 2018, plagued by connectivity issues and missing features, it has since emerged as an indispensable asset for every proud owner of the Nintendo Switch. While the Switch excels in local multiplayer, venturing into the realm of online play requires the acquisition of a Nintendo Switch Online subscription. Yet this subscription goes beyond mere access to online multiplayer and unlocks a treasure trove of nostalgic delights with a curated collection of NES and SNES games at your fingertips. For those seeking a deeper dive into gaming history, the Nintendo Switch Online Expansion Pack beckons. This premium offering bestows upon you the coveted opportunity to indulge in the cherished classics of the N64 and Sega Genesis eras. Gone are the days of wrestling with emulators or hunting down retro consoles, as the expansion pack grants seamless access to a rich tapestry of bygone gaming marvels. As an added bonus, the expansion pack bestows exclusive DLC content for iconic titles such as Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, Animal Crossing, New Horizons, and Splatoon 2, further enriching your gaming adventures. Whispers within the gaming sphere suggest an enticing possibility: the potential arrival of Game Boy Advance games on the Switch, echoing the success of NES, SNES, N64, and Sega titles. Imagine relishing timeless gems like the iconic Mario and Pokémon adventures from the GBA era, all conveniently within your grasp. While ongoing refinements are still warranted, recent strides have showcased that Nintendo Switch Online has undergone a remarkable metamorphosis, emerging as an indispensable companion for any discerning Switch enthusiast. Unlocking a world of possibilities, it reinforces Nintendo's commitment to delivering a comprehensive and rewarding online gaming experience. And that wraps up today's video, where we explore the compelling reasons why 2023 is the perfect time to consider purchasing the Nintendo Switch. With its unmatched portability, a diverse library of games catering to every gamer, and the promise of exciting upcoming releases, the Switch proves to be an irresistible gaming companion. If you found this video helpful and persuasive, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.